Is the cost of smart city EV infrastructure upgrades too high? Imagine a city where electric vehicles are everywhere and charging stations are as common as coffee shops. It sounds great, but how much does it really cost to make that happen? Upgrading electric vehicle infrastructure in smart cities is a big investment, but it's also a key step toward cleaner, more efficient urban living. The initial costs can be quite high. Installing electric vehicle charging stations involves buying equipment, upgrading electrical systems, and preparing the sites. Chargers can cost between $500 to $5,000 each, depending on their type and speed. Fast chargers, which can fully charge a vehicle in about 30 minutes, tend to be more expensive. Cities also need to upgrade the local electrical grid to handle the increased power demand, which can add millions of dollars depending on the size of the project. Space is another challenge. In crowded urban areas, finding room for charging stations can be tricky and costly. Installing chargers in parking garages or along busy streets requires careful planning and often additional construction work. Smart city integration adds more costs because it involves advanced technology like Internet of Things connectivity and smart charging systems. These systems help manage energy use efficiently and improve user experience but requiring more investment upfront. Despite the high costs, many cities see this as a necessary expense. Electric vehicles help cut greenhouse gas emissions and improve air quality. Providing accessible charging stations in residential areas, commercial centers, and transit hubs makes electric driving practical for more people. Governments are offering incentives and grants to help offset these costs. For example, some regions provide rebates of up to $2,500 for installing charging stations. Streamlined permits and policies requiring new buildings to be EV-ready also speed up deployment and reduce expenses over time. The good news is that as technology advances and more electric vehicles hit the roads, the cost of charging equipment is expected to decrease. Economies of scale in manufacturing and increased competition among providers will make infrastructure more affordable. For electric vehicle owners, having reliable, widespread charging options is essential for daily use and longer trips. It reduces range anxiety and makes electric driving more convenient. While upgrading infrastructure does requiring a significant investment, it is a foundational step toward a future where urban transportation is cleaner and more sustainable. The costs are high now, but the long-term benefits for cities, residents, and the environment make it a worthwhile investment.